Hey everybody, welcome back to my shop. Today we're going to be making custom wooden thresholds. I'm going to start by cutting these down on the table saw to more manageable sizes so I can run them through the jointer and the planer. Now one of these workpieces is 12 feet long, much too big to handle on the jointer, so I'm going to use a hand plane for this. Now over at the jointer I'll flatten one face and start the S4S process. This is one of the smaller workpieces, so I don't have to worry about using my hand plane for this, and I can joint one edge. Now over at the thickness planer, I have to bring these down to the exact thickness that I need, which is 1 3/8. That's the difference in the height of the tile to the wood floor. The thresholds need to be beveled, and that's to prevent a tripping hazard, so I'm going to tip my blade on an angle to 20 degrees and run these through on edge. And now I'll just clean up any blade marks and any rough spots with a smoothing plane. Over at the drill press, I'll use a plug cutter and make some wood plugs to fill the screw holes. Now I'm set up in the client's house. I'm going to start to cut these saddles to length. Now that I have them fit in, to install them I need to pre-drill and counter bore and screw them down since they're so thick. Then I'll come back with a finish nailer, 15 gauge, and tack nail in the front lip. Now we can go back and fill the screw holes with the wood plugs that I made. Now the thresholds for the front doorway need to be cut on a 45-degree angle. So I'm just going to lay them out and mark where I need to cut. And now I'll just repeat that installation process by screwing it down and tack nailing the front lips. Alright guys, thanks for joining me in the shop. That's the end of this week's project. So don't forget, next week I'm going to have a video up and I'm going to choose the winner of one of the two mallets, whichever one the winner chooses, of that 10K giveaway. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Once again, thanks for joining me in the shop, and I'll see you guys next time.